Namaste, and welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your daily dose of astrology powered by ancient wisdom and artificial intelligence. I am Angel Tech Test Act 1, and it's my privilege to guide you through the celestial energies that shape our lives. Today is Thursday, 5th June 2025, a day imbued with unique numerological vibrations and planetary alignments. We've analyzed the planetary transits, the lunar phases, and the numerological significance of today's date to provide you with a comprehensive forecast. As we delve into today's energies, we find that certain zodiac signs are particularly well aspected, poised to receive an extra measure of cosmic support. So without further ado, let's begin with the top 3 Rashis that are cosmically favored today. These are the signs where the planetary energies are converging in a particularly beneficial manner, offering a tailwind for their endeavors. Remember, even if your Rashi isn't highlighted, the universe offers opportunities for growth and learning to everyone, every single day. Our first cosmically favored Rashi for today, Thursday, June 5th, 2025, is Vrishabh or Taurus. If you are a Vrishabh native, then listen closely, because today holds significant promise for you. The overarching energy signature for you today is one of calm, sustained productivity and a harmonious alignment with financial energies. This isn't a day for frantic activity, but rather for steady, deliberate progress. The universe is encouraging you to find your center, to operate from a place of inner peace, and you will discover that from this serene state, your efficiency and output naturally increase. Productivity for you today, Vrishabh, is not about rushing. It's about focused effort yielding substantial results. Think of it as a well-tended garden. Consistent care leads to abundant growth. The financial alignment indicated for Vrishabh today is quite encouraging. This doesn't necessarily mean a sudden windfall, though that's not entirely out of the question for some. More broadly, it signifies a day where your financial decisions are likely to be sound, where opportunities for material gain might present themselves, or where you feel a greater sense of security and abundance. Trust your intuition when it comes to monetary matters today, as it will be particularly sharp and guided by these favorable cosmic currents. Moving on to your career, Vrishabh, the stars point towards solid gains, especially in ventures that involve partnerships or collaborative team projects. Your ability to contribute steadily and reliably will be highly valued. In the realm of relationships, Vrishabh, the energy is exceptionally supportive for peaceful and nurturing interactions with your loved ones. Whether it's with your partner, family members, or close friends, communication is likely to be smooth and understanding. This is a wonderful day to express your affection, to spend quality time with those you care about, and to strengthen your bonds. Focus on creating a warm, supportive atmosphere in your personal life. The emotional nourishment you give and receive today will be deeply fulfilling and will contribute significantly to your overall well-being. Finally, Vrishabh, a special tip to amplify these positive vibrations that are flowing your way, consider wearing the color light blue today. Light blue is associated with tranquility, clarity, and communication, all themes that are strongly highlighted for you. Embrace this guidance, Vrishabh, and make the most of this beautifully aligned Thursday. Our second Rashi basking in favorable cosmic energies today, June 5th, 2025, is Kanya, or Virgo. For Kanya natives, this Thursday is shaping up to be a day where your innate preference for structure and orderliness will be particularly well supported by the universe. The energies are conducive to clear thinking, effective problem solving, and making significant headway on tasks that require meticulous attention. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by a to-do list or a complex project, today offers a window of opportunity to bring clarity and make substantial progress. Your analytical mind will be your greatest asset. The stars indicate that this is a particularly favorable day for tackling those long-pending tasks, Kanya. You know, those items on your agenda that have been lingering, perhaps due to their complexity or the sheer effort required. Today, you'll find you have the mental acuity and the sustained focus needed to address them effectively. Break them down into manageable steps, and you'll likely find a sense of satisfaction as you tick them off one by one. The planetary alignment supports diligence and perseverance, So your hard work is very likely to yield the desired results, bringing a sense of accomplishment and relief. In the sphere of communication, Kanya, today presents a wonderful opportunity for resolving any misunderstandings that may have arisen recently. Your ability to articulate your thoughts clearly, combined with a heightened sense of empathy, will make it easier to bridge gaps and find common ground. If there's a conversation you've been avoiding because you feared it might be difficult, today could be the ideal time to approach it with a calm and rational mindset. Listen actively, express yourself honestly and respectfully, and you may be pleasantly surprised by how smoothly things can be resolved. This clarity in communication extends to all your interactions, making for more productive and harmonious exchanges. A significant aspect of today's energy for Kanya natives is the deep sense of clarity and focus you are likely to experience in your mental space. The usual mental chatter may subside, allowing for more profound insights and a better grasp of complex situations. This heightened mental clarity can be incredibly beneficial, not just for work-related tasks, but also for personal reflection and decision-making. You might find solutions to problems that previously seemed intractable, or gain a new perspective on your goals and aspirations. Embrace these energies, tackle those pending tasks with confidence, and enjoy the sense of accomplishment that follows. Our third Rashi receiving a significant cosmic push today, Thursday, June 5th, 2025, is Makar, or Capricorn. For you, Makar natives, the stars are signaling a day that encourages you to break out of your established routines and embrace new possibilities. While Capricorns are often known for their love of structure and predictability, today's celestial energies are nudging you towards a bit of adventurousness, particularly in your professional life. It's a call to step outside your comfort zone, to consider paths less traveled, and to be open to the rewards that can come from calculated risks. In your career, Makar, this is a pivotal time to consider taking a leap toward an opportunity that may seem risky, but also holds the promise of significant rewards. This could manifest as a new project, a different role, or perhaps even a bold strategic move if you are in a leadership position. The universe suggests that careful evaluation, followed by decisive action, could lead to substantial growth and advancement. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back if your intuition and analysis suggest that the potential upside is worth the venture. The energies support bold, well-thought-out initiatives. In the realm of your personal life, specifically concerning love and partnerships, Makar, there's a beautiful indication of unexpected support from your partner. This support can be a powerful, uplifting force, boosting your mood and reinforcing your sense of connection. Perhaps your partner will offer encouragement for that risky career move, or provide a listening ear and wise counsel when you need it most. This unexpected show of solidarity can deepen your bond and remind you of the strength you draw from your relationships. Be open to receiving this support and express your gratitude for it. For single Capricorns, this energy might manifest as encouraging support from a close friend or family member, or perhaps an encounter with someone new who genuinely champions your aspirations. Spiritually, Makar, today is an excellent day for engaging in grounding practices. With the push to break routines and consider new ventures, it's important to stay anchored. Activities such as spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, or even simple deep breathing exercises can help you maintain your equilibrium and connect with your inner wisdom. These practices will not only help you manage any stress associated with stepping into the unknown, but will also enhance your intuition, guiding you as you navigate these new opportunities. Embrace the call to adventure, Makar, with a grounded spirit and a clear head. And that wraps up our AI Baba trademark forecast for Thursday, 5th June, 2025. We've explored the promising energies for Vrishabh, Kanya, and Makar, and we trust that these insights will serve you well. For everyone listening, regardless of your Rashi, remember that each day is a fresh canvas, an opportunity to paint your reality with intention and awareness. The cosmic energies provide the weather, but you are the captain of your ship, navigating the seas of life. We hope today brings you alignment, clarity, and purpose. Remember this powerful truth: you are not your situation, you are your intention. Your circumstances are temporary and ever-changing, but your intentions, the deep desires and motivations that spring from your core, are the guiding stars of your journey. Thank you for joining us here at AI Baba Trademark, your trusted source for AI-powered astrological guidance. If you found this forecast helpful, please do like this video, share it with your friends and family who might also benefit, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, Simple Tech with a Cash, for your daily dose of AI Baba Trademark. See you tomorrow for a fresh cosmic update. Namaste.